No one could become stranger than the person you once loved. Human beings are a much worse poison than schnapps or tobacco. Strange how complicated we can make things just to avoid showing what we feel. Heaven has no favorites. A hospital alone shows what war is. I want to think, and at the same time that's the last thing in the world I want to do. We have our dreams because without them we could not bear the truth. It's only terrible to have nothing to wait for. Life did not intend to make us perfect. Whoever is perfect belongs to the museum. With blinded eyes I started at the sky, this gray, endless sky of a crazy God, who had made life and death for his amusement. We were all at once terribly alone, and alone we must see it through. No one could become stranger than the person you once loved. It is very queer that the unhappiness of the world is so often brought on by small men. Sometimes I used to think that one day I should wake up, and all that had been would be over, forgotten, sunk, drowned. Nothing was sure, not even memory. One is never too young, only always too old. Nothing is the mirror in which you see the world. Sweet dreams though the guns are booming. You take it from me, we are losing the war because we can salute too well. The devil take all conventions, they were made for other times. Our knowledge of life is limited to death. What will happen afterwards? And what can possibly become of us? A man dreams of a miracle and wakes up to loaves of bread. Beyond this our life did not extend, and of this nothing remains. Those who considered themselves fair are particularly ruthless. Whatever happens to you, never take it personally. Nothing in this world is so important. Life did not intend to make us perfect. Whoever is perfect belongs to the museum. The more primitive a man is, the better he believes himself to be. Not always sorry for the one who is wrong. Asking forgiveness of the one who values the relation. Anything you can settle with money is cheap. Never do anything complicated when something simple will serve as well. It's one of the most important secrets of living. It is better to die when I want to live, than to live before you want to die.